Nigerian TV.
My people, welcome to DJM TV channel. I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you when they subscribe to our channel. God bless you now. We just get information now, say the deputy governor of Ondo State don't dump APC, go join PDP. So because of this issue, the deputy executive governor of the state can't use police arrest am, say if he just go like that, how he go join APC. So the deputy governor can say he don't dey tired of APC, say na PDP na wan join am. So he just go straight to a ward, can go pick the PDP membership card. So the information see they go on. We never get full information of what they happen, but we simply could just quick drop this one with now. Another story will be say we they hear this evening be say the national chairman when Buhari replace Adams Oshomole, and the man from Rivers State, the man from come, and we they get information say the Rivers APC don't suspend am as well, and the person will be say he take the position from as well. Ajimobi maybe say he not well, he dey hospital. Some people say he dey come, but we never feel confirm that one, and that one not well. Him now when he does he take the position of the acting national chairman, they don't also suspend that. So what did they really happen for Ondo State? What did they happen for Edo State? When it be say crisis just full everywhere, APC crisis, we don't know what did they happen. Maybe get waiting they do.
DJN TV.